You've done the prep, primed the surface, and your material is mixed to perfection. Now, it's time to bring it all together. The good news? You don't need complex, heavy machinery to get a flawless finish. You just need the right tools and technique. The key to success starts with the right tool. This isn't just any roller. Tuff Coat roller covers are specifically designed to pick up and evenly distribute the rubber aggregate, creating the signature texture and slip resistance of the product.
For larger areas, forget the tray. Pour the material directly onto the surface in manageable sections. Evenly load your roller from this ribbon of product, but be careful not to oversaturate it. A dripping roller leads to an uneven texture and wasted material. Now for the most important technique for a professional finish, maintaining a wet edge. Unwanted lap lines happen when you roll over a partially dried edge. By working in sections and always rolling back into the wet paint, you create a single monolithic surface. The best pattern for even coverage is a simple two-step process. Roll the material evenly in one direction. Then, lightly cross-roll at a 90-degree angle. This ensures uniform coverage and texture. But remember, once the material starts to set, leave it alone. Excessive back rolling will ruin the finish. Pay close attention to the details. Edges, corners, and transitions need to be coated evenly, but it's easy to overload them with material. Use a brush or smaller 4-inch Tuff Coat roller for these areas and blend them seamlessly into the main surface for a truly professional look. Remember, Tuff Coat is a system, and it's designed for a specific thickness to ensure performance and durability. A minimum of 2 coats is required. Always allow the first coat to dry completely according to the data sheet before applying the next.
See how simple that is? Proper rolling technique is the final piece of the puzzle. It's what ensures consistent slip resistance, a beautiful appearance, and the long-term performance your clients expect.